What if the greatest story from India wasn't about technology or power, but about compassion? In Jamnagar, India found its empathy in shape, not in words, but in action. Wildlife experts worldwide call it a miracle, where Indian values meet world-class care. For the first time, the world isn't just seeing India's strength in science or industry, they're witnessing its heart. From Los Angeles to London, Jamnagar is rewriting how the world defines wildlife rescue. When India shows compassion, the whole world stops and listens.